Okay, breaking news coming in on your screens right now. Sweeping a floor of the guest house. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is sweeping the floor of the guest house. The Congress is now alleged ill treatment. That's the latest coming in. Priyanka, of course, this pun intended, eyeing a pole sweep right there. Priyanka sweeping the floor after detention. This is opposition versus Yogi government in Lakhimpur. At the moment, we are getting you the breaking story of how we've accessed a video where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is sweeping the floor of the house she is detained in, and the Congress is now alleged ill treatment of their leaders. This particular video has gone viral at the moment. This is on the back of what has transpired in Lakhimpur. She was detained by UP cops after the cat and mouse chase. Remember, if you have Abhishek Mishra with us, let's go straight across to Abhishek Mishra in just about a bit. But Priyanka Gandhi Vadra quite literally eyeing that particular pole sweep in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Remember, all the opposition leaders are making a beeline at the moment for Lakhimpur Kheri after the farmers' protest turned violence. They wanted to meet the kin of the victims, and the Yogi government is up in arms against the opposition leaders at the moment. The visuals on your screens right now are of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sweeping the floor of her guest house. This video has gone viral, and the Congress now is alleging ill treatment of their leader. This is opposition versus Yogi government breaking in Uttar Pradesh at the moment, right ahead of the assembly elections. We're getting you latest coming in from Lakhimpur. The latest coming in at the moment is this particular video, the video where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is sweeping the floor, and Congress alleging ill treatment right there. Tension simmering in UP's Lakhimpur Kheri after the protests turning violent. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, remember, has been detained right there. She's put out this video where she's sweeping the floor of the guest house. Congress has alleged ill treatment of its leaders. We're getting you all the latest. India Today is getting you all the very latest from ground zero in Lakhimpur. The situation stands to remain tense in UP's Lakhimpur Kheri. For our viewers who have just tuned in, to give you a context of what's going on, there was the death of protesting farmers in UP's Lakhimpur Kheri. It's triggered a political storm. The opposition, of course, up in arms against the Yogi Adityanath government, demanding action against the culprits. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who was on her way to Lakhimpur, was detained by the UP cops. There was a long cat and mouse chase. The UP cops stopped Priyanka in Sitapur at 5:30 a.m. this morning. She was headed towards Lakhimpur to meet the victim's family, and now where she's been detained, this video has come out where she's sweeping the floor of her guest house, with the Congress going on to allege ill treatment of Priyanka Gandhi. So visuals on your screens right now of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sweeping the floor of her guest house. Remember, Priyanka was stopped in Sitapur by the UP cops at 5:30 a.m. this morning. She was headed towards Lakhimpur to meet the victim's family. She stands to be detained. Abhishek Mishra is joining us on the phone line for the latest. Abhishek, this is a video of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra going on to sweep the floor of the guest house where she's been detained. The Congress alleging ill treatment. What is going on over here?
Well, absolutely. A video has come out. You can see where she is, trying to clean the room in which she has been kept, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. The Congress is saying this is the kind of treatment has been given to their top leader, who is the AICC General Secretary, and at the same time, the in charge of Uttar Pradesh Congress. But it looks like that, the government, on the other hand, is so far completely concentrated over the fact that these political leaders should not be able to reach at Lakhimpur. Priyanka Gandhi has been kept in the police line in the guest house in Sitapur. Akhilesh Yadav on the way to Eco Garden, where he will be kept detained. At the same time, other political leaders are also have been detained by the police. So it is very clear from the government side that they do not want to take any chance. Yes, and of course, this video has come out raising a lot of questions over the kind of treatment. But so far, the government is only concentrated on stopping these leaders by reaching Lakhimpur. Yes.
Abhishek, continue to stay with us. Gaurav Bhatia of the Bharatiya Janata Party is now joining us on the phone line. Gaurav, the Congress is alleging ill treatment of Priyanka Gandhi. She was detained this morning from Sitapur by the UP cops when she was on her way to meet the victims' families in Lakhimpur, and now she's been detained in this particular guest house, and she's sweeping her own floor, the floor of the guest house where she is staying. The Congress alleging ill treatment. How do you respond?
See, first of all, I think this is another incident of photo of politics that the Gandhi Parivar has become a champion in. And if they really want to clean up something, it is the malice that they have inside their hearts for the people of the country, for constitutional authority holders, that they should be cleaning first. As for the maltreatment, let the Gandhi Parivar know, whether it is Priyanka Vadra Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi, that they are not above law. If Section 144 has been invoked, they also have to obey the orders of the government. And when they try to violate it with impunity, consequences would follow.
But Gaurav, the question here is that when there is something of this particular nature that takes place in Lakhimpur, after all those allegations and the violence breaking out, the opposition is bound to make a beeline to meet the victims' families. Whether it is a poll-bound state or not, you will have a faction of the opposition wanting to make a beeline right there.
No, the opposition should act in a responsible manner. They are not bound to make a beeline at the venue, because investigation has to take place. Justice has to be given to the family members of every victim and to the victim also. And we have to also understand that this VVIP culture process that they have in their mind, that, you know, they are above law, also needs to be taken out of their mind. That is why I said they should be sweeping this, you know, malice that they have and the VVIP culture that they have inside their head. And law and order remains the priority. Nobody should be allowed to disturb that.
Is there an issue with the opposition wanting to meet the victims' families? Why is it that the UP government does not want the opposition leaders to meet the victims' families?
The issue is very clear that investigation remains a priority. Law and order remains a priority. When misleading statements are made, like we saw during the Hathras rape incident, where there was a Facebook Live being conducted by Priyanka Vadra and Rahul Gandhi. Then we have seen Rahul Gandhi visiting the family member of a minor rape victim who is no more with us, and he tweeted the photograph of the family. So I can give you umpteen number of examples that this Gandhi Parivar does not act in a responsible manner. They try to, you know, aggravate the situation, which is not in the interest of the people of Uttar Pradesh.
As far as this video is concerned, which is all right, Gaurav. Thank you, Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP, for joining us with that first up reaction right there. Let's get you a Congress reaction as well, since we have a BJP reaction on your screens right now. Gaurav Bhatia going on to defend the UP government right there, but the Congress is alleging ill treatment, and hence I'm requesting the producers to get us a Congress voice on the back of this video and the story that is breaking out on your screens at the moment with the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on camera. According to the Bharatiya Janata Party, this is optics for the Congress party, and according to him, this is just one of those photo opportunities that the Congress party is going for. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us from outside UP Bhavan in Delhi. She's got some information for us. Shreya, I'm throwing straight across to you. What do you have for us? Shreya, can you hear me? All right, Shreya's going to be coming back and joining us with the very latest details. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on camera. The Congress, of course, rallies behind Priyanka, who's been blocked from entering Lakhimpur. She's been detained, and this particular video making rounds is of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sweeping the floor right there. Shreya's back with us. Shreya, put everything into perspective for us. Do we have a Congress reaction as well on this particular video, which is making rounds, where the Congress is, from what we're picking up, alleging ill treatment of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra? The BJP on the other side, I just spoke to Gaurav Bhatia. He says this is optics at its best. Are you being able to hear me, Shreya?
Well, yes, we are right now outside the UP Bhavan, where you can see that it's been turned into a fortress, where security has been beefed up since morning because approximately 4 parties have called for a protest outside UP Bhavan over the incident that took place at Lakhimpur Kheri. You can see the visuals behind me right now. There is paramilitary forces that has been deployed, Delhi police has been deployed, and even water cannons have been put in place. This is outside UP Bhavan in Delhi. RLD, ISA, Youth Congress, all are supposed to come over here. The tentative time for the protest was called as 1 p.m. is what we are given to understand. Some of the protesters who had assembled were already detained and taken to Mandir Marg police station. Currently, the situation over here is heavy security outside UP Bhavan in New Delhi, as almost 4 protest calls have been given here in the national capital.
Absolutely. At the moment, Shreya is bringing us the latest details from the UP Bhavan. Shreya, if you could just show us the kind of security and arrangements that have been made. Security has been beefed up. You said the UP Bhavan has now turned into a fortress of sorts. If you could just pan your camera and show us the kind of security.
Well, I'll ask my cameraman to focus on the visuals over here. As you can see that the entire UP Bhavan, it's basically made into a fortress by barricading it all from all the sides. There is paramilitary deployment over here. Heavy forces from Delhi police, we see the SSB, the CRP, they're all deployed outside the UP Bhavan right now. There's a water cannon, as you can see, which is also deployed right in front of the UP Bhavan, and even the roads leading to it, as you can see, has been blocked. This is near Assam Bhavan, where a barricade has already been put, and there's a route diversion so that the service lane near this adjacent area at UP Bhavan cannot be used. So heavy security planning. This is after 4 protest calls, one by ISA, one by RLD, one by Indian Youth Congress, and we also learned that the CPI has also given a call for the protest all at the same time. That is why we see this kind of deployment here outside UP Bhavan. They all are coming to protest against the incident that took place in Lakhimpur Kheri, and any moment from now we can see the protesters turning up. But also to mention, some of the protesters who had individually
I just want to ask a question that there is no prevention. Are the authorities been told to prevent them from protesting? If the protests are silent, does the administration have any problem, or is there Section 144 imposed ahead of this particular protest? Because the situation is quite fragile at the moment in Lakhimpur, and you will have opposition parties protesting right there in UP Bhavan, and hence what is the administration's take as far as these protests are concerned?
Well, there has been a strict guideline that has been issued that no protester should be allowed in front of UP Bhavan. That is exactly why you see the kind of deployment that has been made. And clearly, so far as the other areas are concerned, even at Jantar Mantar, we have seen that there has been a beef up of security. Barricadings have increased. So somewhere down the line, the administration here in Delhi also feel that there could be a heavy protest because of the incident that happened in Uttar Pradesh. Given the fact that there are already 4 calls of protest, this is the kind of arrangement that has already been made in UP Bhavan in Delhi.
All right, Shreya, we'll keep coming back to you as far as these protests are concerned. This is a protest against all that transpired in Lakhimpur, wanting justice for the victim and the kin of the victim as well. At the moment, what we're picking up is that there will be protests right there in UP Bhavan. Shreya's getting us the latest. Security has been beefed up. Water cannons have been deployed as well. Let's get you the situation as far as Lakhimpur is concerned as well. It's absolutely tense in UP's Lakhimpur. The death of protesting farmers in UP's Lakhimpur Kheri has now triggered a massive political storm. The opposition is up in arms against the Yogi government, demanding action against the culprits. Gaurav Vallabh of the Congress Party is now joining us on the phone line. Gaurav, I have 2 questions for you. First up, of course, I want to ask you on, let's get you those visuals of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra sweeping the floor as well. Gaurav, what do you make of these visuals of Priyanka on camera sweeping the floor of the guest house? Would you call this ill treatment of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also being stopped while she was on her way to Lakhimpur, and now she's been made to sweep the floors?
See, I will only say this is a General Dyer government of independent India. And their modus operandi is similar to what was the modus operandi of General Dyer. General Dyer also ordered the shootout to the protesting people who were asking the government to take back the roll attack. The same thing is happening for the protesting farmers. The Chief Minister of Haryana is saying, लठ से इनका सर फोड़ दो, जेल चले जाओ और बड़ा लीडर बन जाओ. The Home Minister is saying, सुधर जाओ वरना 2 मिनट में सुधार दूंगा. किसको सुधार दोगे आप? To whom you are saying, किसको सुधारने की बात कह रहे हो? और ये प्रियंका गांधी जी ने जो झाड़ू लगाया है ना, वो गेस्ट हाउस पे नहीं है, वो यूपी सरकार की आत्मा पे झाड़ू लगाने का काम किया गया. Because the way the UP government is acting,